Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy shrimp scampi recipe. Oh my goodness, I am drooling looking at this right now. It's just so good. And I am not passing this recipe off as the authentic recipe. It's just my way of making it. But tell you what, it's really good and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. We're going to start by cooking some pasta according to package instruction. I am using fettuccine, but you can use whatever pasta you love. Next, I have some shrimp here. I'm using the very large kind, but you can use the smaller kind if you want. I already washed my shrimp, so I'm patting them dry with a paper towel. Once the shrimp is dried, you're going to drizzle some olive oil into your pan heated over medium heat, then add some butter. Once the butter has melted, you're going to toss your shrimp into the pan. Arrange your shrimp in a single layer, then season with salt and pepper. We're going to let the shrimp cook for 1 minute on one side, then turn them over and let them cook for another minute on the other side. Next, we're going to add a whole lot of minced garlic. And don't forget, you guys, I have all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Allow the garlic to cook with the shrimp for just about a minute until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Then you're going to add some red pepper flakes. Next, you're going to add the juice from 1 whole lemon. You could also sneak in half a cup of white wine in here. I didn't add that because of my kids, but you can if you want, okay? We're also going to add some fresh parsley, then mix everything together. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to add some really cold butter. Allow the butter to melt in with the shrimp, then toss everything around for the very last time. Then go ahead and transfer your shrimp onto a separate plate. Doesn't this look amazing? You could just devour this as it is. You can enjoy it with some baguette, but since we're making this with pasta, you're going to leave a little bit of the sauce in your pan, then toss in your cooked fettuccine. Then you're going to set your heat to high and saute the fettuccine in the sauce for just about a minute. Go ahead and plate your fettuccine, add some shrimp, and drizzle some of the sauce. And this yumminess is ready to be enjoyed. This is such an easy restaurant quality dinner. It's so good. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.